Welcome to Havasupai Falls. Just gorgeous here. We're here at Mooney Falls on the Havasupai Indian Reservation, and it is paradise. We are descending through a hole in the rock to get down to the falls. We had to climb down all this. It's a pretty crazy descent, but it's fun. Sorry, my camera doesn't zoom out enough. It's beautiful though.
That's a good shot.
Yeah. Stand back.
Okay. This will be my...
This is our crazy descent all the way up to there. And then we go into those tunnels. Nuts.
Is that like a seat out?
Mooney Falls, officially one of the coolest, craziest places I've ever been in my entire life. This is awesome, and it's basically paradise in the desert. There's no other way to describe it.